Hi guys, I'm Katie Wayne and this is Animalist News. Should humans try to help repopulate species that are endangered? In 1987, a mere 22 California condors existed in the wild. Since then, scientists at the Los Angeles and San Diego zoos have been trying to breed the birds in order to save them. Like most birds, condors learn most of their lessons in the first 2 years of their life from their caretaker, so after rounding them up, zookeepers created condor puppets to help raise newborn chicks. Condors reproduce using a process called double clutching. Essentially, a couple will keep laying eggs until one hatches with a healthy chick. So when sneaky zookeepers discreetly removed eggs from the couple's nest to raise using the puppet, more and more eggs would be laid. This seemed like a quick, efficient way to speed up the condor's population recovery, but something went wrong. When the zoo-bred birds were released into the wild in 1992, they began lunging at hikers and posing for photos. Instead of being scared of humans like their parents and grandparents, they seemed fascinated. The wild characteristics from their ancestors had not been passed down because these birds had never interacted with their real parents. Just like human juvenile delinquents, discipline and positive adult models were missing from their initial development. So after recapturing most of the zoo-bred birds, zookeepers returned to the puppet rearing, but this time made it more realistic. Instead of coddling chicks, puppets hit anyone who was misbehaving just like an actual mother condor. And when the chicks became 5 months old, the zoo moved them into an enclosure with an adult condor who would further teach them the ways of life. Now, condors aren't the only ones to be raised by puppets. Bald eagles, whooping cranes, and even pandas are raised by humans in costumes with much success. While the obvious reason for any breeding program is to increase populations, could it also be human guilt for endangering animals in the first place? In fact, condors most likely began declining when humans came to North America, started hunting, collecting eggs, and drove most megafauna to extinction. Now, of course, the California condor is making a comeback with over 220 individuals in the wild and another 200 in captivity. But after going through all that, do you guys think humans should intervene when a species is declining, or should we just stay out of it entirely? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out these other videos right here and subscribe right here. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.